Ever wondered how businesses, healthcare providers, and even your favorite online store seem to know exactly what you need even before you do? How do they make sense of the ocean of data they collect every day? The answer to that lies in a field of study that's as exciting as it is transformative: data science. Data science, in its simplest form, is the art and science of turning raw data into meaningful insights. Imagine having a mountain of puzzle pieces, each representing a piece of information. Data science is the process of putting these puzzle pieces together to reveal the bigger picture. It combines the power of statistics, mathematics, and computer programming to make sense of data. But why is data science important, you may ask? Well, in today's world, data is the new gold. Companies, governments, and organizations across the globe generate and collect vast amounts of data. This data, when analyzed correctly, can provide invaluable insights that can drive decision-making, solve problems, and even predict future trends. The process of data science is a journey. It begins with data collection, where data about a topic of interest is gathered. This data then undergoes data processing, where it's cleaned and organized to make it usable. The next step is data analysis, where statistical methods and algorithms are used to identify patterns and relationships within the data. The final step is data visualization, where the findings are presented in a visually appealing and understandable manner. The magic of data science is not limited to a single industry. It has a multitude of applications across various sectors. In healthcare, data science can help predict disease outbreaks. In retail, it can analyze customer shopping behavior to tailor personalized marketing strategies. In finance, it can be used for stock market analysis and predictions. And in transportation, it can optimize routes to reduce travel time. The future of data science is as exciting as it is boundless. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, the possibilities for data analysis are expanding, paving the way for more sophisticated and accurate insights. In conclusion, data science is more than just a profession. It's a revolution that's changing the world. One data point at a time, it's the key that unlocks the potential of data, transforming it into actionable insights that drive progress and innovation. So, the next time you wonder about how businesses seem to know what you need, remember the power of data science. It's the silent force that's shaping the future, making our world smarter, more efficient, and more connected. Don't forget to stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, keep diving deeper into the fascinating world of data science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into this captivating field. Until our next exploration, keep the curiosity alive.